How to fix Snapchat device ban. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing a Snapchat device ban. First of all, you need to go ahead, open your App Store or Play Store according to your device, whether you're using iPhone or Android. Go to the search bar, simply type in Snapchat, tap on it, and if you see an update button over there, simply go ahead and update it to its latest version. Another thing you can do is you can go ahead, open your settings, go to apps. On iPhone, go to general management and then go to iPhone storage, search for Snapchat application, upload the app and then reinstall it. And on Android, go to storage, click on clear cache and come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. This will remove bugs and help it run better. Now next, open your Snapchat application, log into your account, tap on the profile picture, and then tap on the gear icon to access settings. Scroll all the way down and tap on clear cache, tap on continue to confirm. And another thing you can do is open your device settings, go to general management, and then tap on date and time. Now simply toggle the switch for automatic date and time. Also go to language and region and do the same. And try changing your country or region and try setting the time of different place. And after changing it, try opening the Snapchat again and this should definitely help you fix the problem. If not, go ahead and open your Chrome browser. From here, go to help.snapchat.com, go to its support page and then open the support form. From here, simply select why can't you access your account. Then enter your username, your email, your mobile number. Go ahead and describe your issue with the Snapchat. Tap on submit in the bottom and Snapchat will contact you within 24 to 48 hours and help you fix the problem. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again in the next one.